The tablet stand can be placed next to the machine or attached to the top, whichever you prefer. To attach the stand, loosen the knob on top of Futura. Install the stand so the special profile fits into the slot on the cover, then tighten the knob. Slide the tablet onto the stand and adjust the incline by loosening the knob on the back. The safety shield covers the working parts and contains chips during the cutting process, ensuring operator safety. It must be raised to clamp keys or to perform other operations such as calibration. Should the shield be raised while the machine is operating, a micro switch will deactivate all operations, including the cutter. To continue, simply lower the shield and follow prompts provided on the tablet. The emergency stop button is a safety feature located on the right side of the machine. Push in to immediately stop the machine. Rotate the stop button clockwise to restore power. This can also be used to power off the machine when not in use. The left side of the Futura is the standard edge cut side. The 01F cutter and the 01V clamp is for cutting edge cut keys. The optical laser reader is for duplicating and decoding edge cut keys. The shoulder gauge is for proper alignment of shoulder stop keys. Above the clamp is a tool holder for the tracers and cutters of laser and dimple keys. The right side of the Futura is the laser track and dimple side. The 01R clamp holds dimple and laser keys. The cutter spindle holds the appropriate cutter or tracer for calibration purposes. The mobile tracer is used to decode dimple and laser keys. The standard cutters included with the machine are 01L for laser keys and the 01D for dimple keys. Some applications may require optional cutters. Note: the machine is shipped with a steel rod installed on the laser cut side to prevent the Allen screw in the cutter spindle from backing out during shipment. Using the T-handled Allen wrench from the toolkit, loosen the screw, remove and discard this rod, and install the proper cutter prior to cutting a key. A collection tray is located at the bottom of Futura. Use the brush to sweep or brush shavings into the slots under the work area. Then remove the tray for easy disposal of the shavings. Important: keep operational parts of the machine clean of shavings. Never use compressed air to clean shavings. They could be blown into the electronics and create a short. Also, never use oily products or thinners to clean painted surfaces, clamps, or electronic connections. Futura's mounting bracket should be used to secure the unit to a workbench for mobile use. To install it, the machine should be turned off and unplugged with the tablet and tablet stand removed. With the machine on its back, align the mounting bracket and attach it securely with the screws provided. With the machine in its upright position, attach the bracket to the workbench through the outer holes with screws or bolts. Regulations require that the laser warning label in the proper language be attached as shown in the manual on page 7. Retain the carton and packing should you ever need to ship the Futura for repair.